Hello everyone, this is lecture 3 in the bank reconciliation series. Now what we will try to do in this lecture, we will try to reconcile the balance of the business bank account with that of our bank statement balance. So taking you back to the same example, so at 1st of February 2019, Sumi Limited's nominal ledger for cash at bank showed an overdrawn balance of 6,800. So I've put that balance here, showing an overdrawn balance. And then we're told during the year, well, the total value of payments was 1,514,000. So 1,514,000. We're also told during the year there were receipts, 1,565,600. And then moving on, we are told at 31st of January 2020, the bank statement showed a balance of cash at bank of 3,115. So in this case, I am showing the balance as per the bank statement 3115. At this point, if you're unsure of what exactly is wrong, you can pause this lecture and go back to lecture 2 to understand what exactly is the discrepancy. Let's move on. A review of the bank statements showed that at that date there were uncleared lodgements. Now, what exactly are uncleared lodgements? It simply means that going back to our business bank account, that receipts figure includes for 54,800. And what could have happened is this, and I'm only making this up, sorry. Maybe customers could have paid us by check, but we haven't had the chance to deposit the check at the bank. So that could be one scenario in which case it will appear on the debit side as receipts, but then it wouldn't appear on our bank statement. Or maybe we have deposited the check of 54,800 at the bank, but whenever we deposit a check at the bank, we don't have access to the funds straight away. It goes for a clearing process. And that's why, and hence the word uncleared here. It means that the amount is not yet available. And because this is the case, the bank statement has not yet accounted for these deposits. So how does that affect our bank statement balance? So going back to the bank statement, well, this is meant to increase our bank statement balance. So I'm going to add here 54,800, and that represents uncleared lodgements. Moving on, we're told we have uncleared payments of 22,830. Now, what does that mean? It means that with these payments here, under these payments, maybe we have paid by check. Let's say we have paid our utilities and we have issued check to the company for 22,830. But then this time, the companies to which we have issued the check, maybe they did not have the time to go and clear that payment. So surely, when they do, this will reduce our bank statement balance. So what I'm going to put a negative sign here because since we are paying, this is meant to reduce our bank statement balance. Moving on, we're told bank charges not posted to the nominal ledger. Now, bank charges, well, surely this has been accounted for by the bank, but until we get our bank statement, we would not know sometimes how much charges that we are paying in terms of bank charges. So what I'll do, since we are paying bank charges, so that will be on the credit side, 715. Now this one is interesting. A cash receipt of 34,400 from a customer have been posted to the accounting records of Sumi Limited. So it's there already, but hang on. It has been posted as 43,400. Excuse me. So what's happening here? We have posted it here an amount of 43,400 when the actual amount should have been 34,400. So we have overstated the receipts here. When we have overstated the receipts by, well, 43,400 minus 34,400. Yes, we have overstated by 9,000. So I'm just going to write here correction, just to keep it simple, 9,000. Now let's see if we try to balance off the account, uh, what is the final balance? So we can clearly see that the debit balance would be higher here. So 1,565,600. Um, so 1,565,600. What is our balance carried down? So equal. So this balance minus everything on the credit side. So we're adding everything on the credit side, and hopefully, well, that leaves us with a balance of 35,085 pounds. So this becomes, sorry, balance brought down, not carry down. So balance brought down, well, equal this balance here. There you go. Yes. Now let's see if this tallies with our bank statement balance. So I'm just gonna sum all of these. Yep, as you can see, the balances have been reconciled. And there you go. This is lecture 3 and hopefully, the final series in the bank reconciliation.